get what you see. My only issue with days like today is the fact that they can go super strong in one direction and suddenly turn on you way before or even in a place that you're not ready for it. So that's why I always say these are the kind of days that you need to either aim for a limit entry too long on a super crazy level below or a short on a super crazy level high with low size. Or and if you're going to trade price action, etc., just lower your size because things can get messy.
And you buys and shorts.
I'm gonna mark this 50% of this range. And then,
hate that first minute candle. It's just so bullish and then bearish.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go down and then go up again.
My bad, team. Can you guys hear me real quick?
Yeah,
Yep.
now we can
Alright,
hear
perfect.
you.
Nah, thank you so
you
much.
sound super low.
Holy shit, Nvidia's taking a dump. Tesla is pumping
Holy crap.
hard. Yeah, we have a mixed Max 7. Nvidia is taking a shit dive, but the rest still aren't. Amazon is going down. Oof. Oof. Nvidia is getting oof.
One of the ways that I would really like to get a short is if we tap somewhere around 930s, 930, 940. That's where I would take a short, where it might be a best entry. Just because right here it can be a zone that we can just pump really, really strong, trap both sides, squeeze them, and then go in the direction to retrace. I'm just being patient.
Tesla, Google are going insanely high. Nvidia is dying, Apple is dying, Microsoft pumped and now fully retraced and dying, Amazon is dying.
Take a look at ES. ES is dying really, 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 really strong, and it's leading kind of like a death from the
Yeah, there's a big
high
gap.
65.40.
It already bounced. I saw it bounce. Yes.
There's a big gap on SPY and Q.
Oof.
Yeah, this is tough.
Guys, this is a day that you're only doing 1 or 2 micros, and you're being very patient,
totally.
okay, with zones that are specific. As you can see, one wick candle can literally take you out 30 points, and you want to just have a wider stop loss. And if you see green, please take green. If you see 500, 600, today's the day you want to take that, all right?
Yeah, totally. Today is not a day to hold for dear life, in my opinion. Who was that?
Who plays that? Who plays that?
Who was that?
Order filled.
Order filled. Mike, your mic ratted you out.
Somebody's going for a long. Who is it?
So this
Yeah,
was
I'm sure it's running.
I do like
It's
this
running.
4 hour for shorts.
So this was a zone that we did have sort of like a really strong resistance at 438. Market is sort of in a way that I had mentioned 880 to be like a target for longs, and I knew that the exhaustion was gonna happen somewhere around the lines there, just because we're in the middle of two zones that were resistance. I just wouldn't know where exactly we would take the short from. So just pay attention to this zone. If we do have a strong bounce at 830, it's expected to be kind of like a break and retest to continue to the upside, squeeze the sellers, and then come back from 920, 940. Just be very cautious of that.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated when what I see.
I'm nervous about this zone. I'm like really debating it.
What I'm seeing right now in Max 7 is that if Tesla and Alphabet suddenly flip and their pump gets eaten, we are going down hard, boys, because Nvidia, Microsoft, and Amazon are still dying, and the only big three are Apple, Tesla, and Alphabet and Google going up. But if they stop going up and join the red party, yeah,
Look,
no bueno.
any free fall from ES under like 65.30, I would take that short into like 65.28
Yeah,
all the way down.
yeah.
So if
If we
ES leaves that,
close,
go ahead. I'm sorry, brother.
if no, you're good. If we close above, below this 50% of this range, I would like shorts. And this
Okay,
is the swing point I'm looking at.
just to keep you guys updated, Tesla faded all the pump and now it's going almost red. And Google is trying to do the same. So yeah, be careful. We could be heading lower, lower. There we go.
Oh God.
I like the 794 area as like a chop trade. I'm hoping we get down there, but
Yeah, I was
Oh,
waiting to see
goodness.
a retest of 790 as a data release price open, just to see what they do. But it should be with lower size because it can easily fill the wick below on the data release at 725. So just be careful. We need to wait to see it turn some kind of something that makes sense, really.
whoever filled that order didn't fill it again. So they're either losing money right now.
Or he muted the mic and we just don't know.
Order filled.
They're like account
Stop loss.
blown.
Stop loss. Stop loss here. You are broke.
Yo, low key, like I've been in one micro short from 876.
Nice. Nice. You're gonna keep that tight though, because
I'm
it's
a
a
break
I'm in, by the
even.
way.
This short is not gonna last long, in
All right,
my
guys.
opinion.
So we have a 5-minute doji candle holding the support line, and we're above that structure of 65.35 on ES. One more strong bounce to the upside above like 65.36. I say we're gonna go up one more time on ES. It just has to be a very rapid momentum to the upside.
Yeah. The reason we are stalling we are not falling sharply and quickly is because we still have some stocks keeping it up, still pumping. Let me show you guys real quick the charts.
Okay, you want me to flash down?
No,
Need
no, no,
like
no.
10 more points until
No,
TP.
I'm sending the pic in the chat of the live chat. So you guys take a look. There we go.
Yeah,
There you have
A15
seven.
A15 is a reasonable target for you, Monk.
My TP is at 812. That's that's EQ of the range.
Perfect. You're good there, bro.
As you can see in the photo I just uploaded, guess who's dying the hardest? Fuck you, Bill Gates. They are murdering Microsoft.
Yesterday they were pumping though, so
Oh, weird what is happening right now. Oh, weird. No, you're not. Nobody's
it's a risky short though. I mean,
Yeah,
like
this
kind of.
shit's moving. It's so volatile. I don't think it was. I think you did the right thing.
The
Yeah.
right thing is not trading at all today. So
Exactly.
be
All right.
very
So breaking down the time frame, so everybody that might be still new to this. So one of the things I'm looking at in the 30-minute is 30-minute
Wow.
has a really
Wow.
strong resistance at like the middle candle pretty much is a gravestone. Even though it looks green, it has a really strong sell pressure. So what they did, they came back up, take out all the early sellers, came back down. On the 15-minute, you can already see a pattern that is a full reversal. So these kind of patterns you want to always take a look at. As long as we break below that 830 and a close, then yeah, we can strongly dump all the way down to fill out the orders at 720. Um, but yes, I would definitely continue waiting a little longer. Based on the 5 minute, there is some kind of buyers here. I would really, really like for like a really strong push and rejection off 860, 870 to give me a little bit more confidence to take a short for me.
Christian, that 3 minute zone actually worked.
I am
No.
scalping this. I'm not staying in this. I'm happy
I'm
with
up
all of it.
22 bucks on one micro with that zone, but that was a risk, a small risk. But
I'm taking that 1-to-1. It's
mhm.
So ES right now on, I'm sorry, NQ has a W with the retest at 830 and is pumping really nicely, guys, into that 860, 870 zone. You want to make sure your stops are very, very tight, maybe like 825, 824-ish. If it runs, it runs. If it stops you out, it's totally fine.
Oh.
1 minute looks ugly as hell.
This looks untradable for me at the moment.
Right.
Yeah, I'm being extra patient today.
we're still maintaining this bullish structure.
Yeah.
I'm looking for some sort of break or SMT. Let's say ES takes out these highs and NQ just fills this gap and then continues down. Then I'm looking for a short. So
Well, we'll see because I don't know if I would be super quickly to short yet. I'm still
no,
in a
I'm
very,
definitely not. I'm definitely not entering anytime soon.
I'm having
Let's see.
real mixed views on the stocks at the moment. So it's not clear at all.
I actually do like this short.
If Fossil, you enter the long.
I did. I got out though.
It
I
reacted
was
nicely to this bullish.
perfect.
Sorry.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
No, I was gonna say that I acted on the 2 minute chart. I had a bullish fair value gap from 818 to 835 that acted that went inside the box and then it just reacted very nicely and it's pushing up to what dude was saying to like the 860s so far. It's looking good, but who knows with this market right now.
No, right here, what you're looking for is you're looking for a super pump into sorry, 920, 940 if you are long from the bottom. You're hoping for that to be the takeout completely into like a resistance and then hoping for a few, like a full flush. That's kind of what I'm waiting for.
No, yeah, I
I want
just
to
I
see it.
just quick scalp that really quick, made like $100, but I wasn't risking holding that for very long.
The most important thing is that you
Alright,
executed
short.
and you
My
managed your risk. Good job, bro.
But yeah, my bias for today really is I think we're gonna short, but
I
the way
think
that it's
we're in
acting.
need of active move, so I'm hoping we go down to the 800s, but uh,
Tesla is going insane, guys.
It's pumping.
Tesla is up. Tesla is up 5% already. She's
Wow.
going
Shit.
insane.
holy cow.
What the fuck?
ES is just pumping right now, by the way. So ES is leading us back into the highs and breaking into new all-time highs. It's just a matter of close of the 5 minute. Do we break the structure to continue, or do we just come back right down?
I don't know because I think that at the moment Tesla and Google are holding all the market up.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what the hell happened on Tesla. I don't know if any news came out or suddenly Elon quit or what, pumping hard.
So if you look at the 2 minute, guys, on ES, we have that 4 bar breakout that I always talk about. That was a beautiful scalp if you were in that. Very beautiful.
Yeah,
That
it's
was a
very
good call. That
nice.
was a really good call, Chris.
Okay, let's
Thank
see
you.
if
Thank
now
you. This is
here in
beautiful.
comes the fuckery. Here comes the fuckery.
I need to lose $100.
Thank God I got out of this shit. Holy crap.
I need
Just
to lose
open,
$100. How do I lose
open and
$100?
Okay,
open and
you go
close.
open and close
Long
nonstop.
Fees will wipe it.
Yeah,
Fees will wipe it. You'll be
With
good.
how many contracts?
Just make
Just
sure you
do
get
like
in and out.
3.
Just make sure you get in and out nonstop. Just get in and out nonstop. Don't
Yeah.
worry whether you're green or
yeah.
blue.
Open and close. Open and close. Open
Mm-hmm.
and close, and you're gonna see your money drop.
Your
Yeah.
fees, the fees will wipe it out.
It has to be quick. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out.
Dang.
My boy's balling.
Because if
Dude.
you
All right,
try
ES
to,
broke down, so we're gonna get a nice flush. Yo, that 870 that I called out on NQ shorts was amazing too. Damn, that's crazy. I just
yeah,
need to
but
pull the trigger, guys.
Guys, do you
Let's
see
pull the
this
trigger, please.
fair value gap I marked out? And do you see ES?
Wow, look at that manipulation
You
back
know what
up.
I'm looking at?
yeah, I don't know if you're gonna die, bro, because
Great
I'm
scalp.
telling you, Tesla is holding all the weight of the world right now, and now Apple just decided to join the party and pump out of nowhere.
So one of the things I'm seeing on the 15 second, I'm seeing sort of like it's like an M pattern. So think of it like a double top with a retest of the neckline and getting rejected at 860. This could be the drop for NQ, guys.
This was a beautiful trade.
ES already did a retest from the structure of the bottom and is doing one more retest, I believe.
Yeah.
If you look at the 1 minute, you can see the breakout and then it's trying to retest.
Yo, I just got my first I think I qualified for my first live account
Beautiful.
Nice.
Congrats,
on
bro.
Tradeify.
Congrats, bro.
Who?
Me.
You already
It's my
have. Oh,
no, this
live. Oh.
so you need 4 payouts on your accounts to be offered a live account.
Oh,
Yeah, dude. Appreciate you guys.
He's all in.
All right, guys. So we got the rejection off the 65.35 on ES. So shorts are almost starting to look clean.
So we're gonna full port, right?
Nah, yeah, right. Crazy.
No, never full port anything.
Say it with me, Gonzo. Degenerate. Degenerate.
Degenerate.
I mean, if
Go to
anybody,
rehab.
hey, if anybody wants to sponsor my 150K account, I'll degen 5 minis back to back for you guys. For that stream.
Just for the love of the game.
For the love of the game. I love doing 5 minis. Instant $500. Bam, bam, bam.
I wouldn't short yet, guys.
They're
I'm
pumping it. They're
definitely.
pumping it. They're pumping it.
I'm not shorting this at all. If you would, I'm gonna do you guys a favor. I'm going to live stream the Max 7. You can see.
I'll hop off this.
No, you don't need to, bro. Anybody can select which one to see. If you're looking at my screen, the one in the middle top, that's Tesla, and it's
Look at that
just going
pump.
bananas.
Damn, look at that.
Google went bananas.
Sheesh.
Nvidia is already recovering all of the dump mostly. Apple is going bananas. Microsoft stopped the bleeding.
I'm gonna take a
Order
long here,
Amazon,
guys. Really risky. I'm gonna take a long.
but yeah,
I
this
like
is
the
not
break. I like the way that ES recovered really strong.
this is definitely
Covered
not a
what, bro? We've been in chop.
No, ES looks really strong, bro.
No, thank you. Love you.
Yeah, but the confluences are there for long. But I'm
Come
gonna stay
on,
out
don't go
because
back
this
down,
is
baby. Don't go
chop.
back down. Come on. There you go.
Oh, dude, you might be. What's your SL?
SL's at 852. Yeah,
ah,
they're gonna take me out.
yeah, I think it's gonna maybe
52.
Hopefully
That's
it's a
risky.
so
retest.
tight, bro.
Yeah. No! Come back up!
Put your
Come back
SL
up!
at 34, bro.
Get the
You and
magnets.
go have a
Get the magnets.
chance.
No, I can't. I can't. That's too much right there. I should have
I'll
waited for
blow
a
with the candle
pullback.
for you.
I believe in you. Oh,
Everybody,
come on.
blow,
Everybody start
blow.
blowing. Get the hammer.
Everybody pull out your magnets. Come on, just
Your
give me 50
magnets.
points.
As
Give
long
me
as
100
it's
points off,
blowing
baby.
upwards, everybody's still
As
blowing.
long as Tesla Google keep pumping, you're good, bro.
The long is
Tesla's
valid, though.
Oh,
Tesla's
yeah. What's your entry?
My entry is at 885. I took a
Oh,
really
okay.
bad entry. I should have waited.
Oh,
You're back in this though. You're back in this.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm chilling.
I would go out if I
All
were
right,
you.
I'm a
Yeah,
I'm a
you
break
fine.
even. I'm a break even.
Yeah,
Yeah,
good.
good.
Let's break even.
I'm gonna see if it gets me a strong
We're gonna
push.
test
Order filled.
902,
Nah,
I
it took me
think.
out. It took me out. It's all right. It took
Or
me six
903.
dollars.
Uh,
That's two monsters for me.
Fuck yeah.
I should have waited for the
it was
pullback.
not-
That was a very emotional
yeah,
trade, guys.
it was too risky, bro.
As you guys can see, we all make mistakes, guys. It's all right.
Jesus Christ, Tesla and Google are on a roll today. I don't know, bro. Tesla already broke the 1 hour resistance. Oh, you you guys want to see something that usually doesn't happen in stocks? I'll show you.
Jesus, holy drop on NQ.
This is what I did, guys. So you guys can see where I took my entry and where I took my break even and where I took my stop loss, but I didn't get hit, thankfully.
Look at the picture I just uploaded. That's Tesla in the 1 hour. This is Tesla in the 1 hour. Look at the chart.
Wow, we got a huge dump. What? Wow, look at ES, guys. Look at ES. That's
Yeah.
crazy. With a K.
That's why you break even. That's why you break even.
That's why you break even,
Yeah,
guys.
but
It doesn't
I,
matter.
I don't know if you're gonna
Wow.
dump hard, honestly.
ES is
I
dumping
don't know.
hard, guys. I'm gonna take a short. What do you guys think? Oof.
The bottom?
Order filled.
Taking a short one more time. YOLO.
Who took the short? I heard the
You
fucking
took
thing
the
again.
short.
Bro,
Order
I
fill.
think that was a little
ES is just
late, though.
ES is just
Order
dumping, man.
fill.
I don't know, bro. Some stocks are still pumping hard. I don't know.
You think so?
We touched that bullish fair value gap again, and it just went right back up.
Yeah, it might range between these 60 points for
I
a
hate
while
I
today.
hate that ES is just like trying to create support, and that's because of the stocks that you guys are talking about.
Yeah, whenever I
So
see
you're in a
some,
short right now?
I'm in a short. I took the bottom. I'm an idiot. I thought I was getting the breakout.
All
You're
right,
0 for 2. 0 for 2.
yeah, man, it's just that. Just take, please, guys, just look at my stream and check what the Max 7 are doing before you decide to short. Because
Wow, it edged my stop loss, thankfully. Oof. Come on, baby. Run. Guys, once you're praying like I am, you're cooked.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Skill is a huge dump, bro.
look, if suddenly they start to sell on Tesla, you're golden on that short. But
Nah, it's gonna take me out. It's really, really strong at the moment. They're gonna take me out.
yeah, I don't think this
We
is a short.
really, we're really just chopping it up.
Yeah, whenever I see, like I told you guys, if you see mixed views on Max 7, like you see some dumping hard and some pumping hard, usually means you're gonna range and chop
Yeah.
because they're gonna support or defend each other. So it's like that. But what
Just give us a
could
massive.
happen
Just give
is
us a massive 100-point down. That'll be amazing.
what could happen is if suddenly you see it like the ones that are really pumping, like Tesla and Google, start to retrace hard, and you're gonna see NQ suddenly flash down.
We're starting to see some red on Tesla.
Yeah, right now because that on Tesla was the 1 hour high from last Wednesday, and it barely broke it.
Order
So
filled.
I
yeah,
got
we
break
could
even
see
again,
some.
guys. I got break even again. Jesus, it's all good.
It's nice.
Thank Jesus really took the wheel there, brother.
Guys, that was
You
two.
got
That guys,
saved.
guys, that was 2 times being on negative like $200. And I'm like, come on, man. It edged my stop loss
You
like
just
crazy. It edged my.
saved.
I was like, wow.
I have my emotional support dog with me just when I full port. So
No, no. Luckily, I'm low size.
Bro, low size. If it moved 20 points and you were $200 down, you weren't exactly low size.
5 micros? Yeah, that is low size.
How many?
Five micros.
For a day like
still
today,
low
that's
side.
not really low size, bro.
Bueno, compared to compared to what I usually do, that's like very small.
You went mid.
I'm all right.
Yeah, now we're seeing Tesla retracing. Nice. Okay, let's see if the 5 minute holds on Tesla. If not, you're gonna see the reaction on you to the downside.
On the 2 minute chart, I could see a M forming here.
The reason the support on we are holding this 825 level
Guys, look at
is
ES. We
because
have a CRT on ES. On ES, we have a CRT. This is supposed to go all the way down to like easy 65.14.
Time to enter that short again.
And
Full port it.
and the 30-minute on NQ it's still a CRT with the engravestone. The gravestone Kudoji. The only thing I don't like about the 30-minute on NQ, it's tricky because the wick on the current candle is bigger than the one from the middle. Usually for a CRT to be a real like flush, it has to be the middle one has to be higher than the one that's currently open on the right.
yeah, and besides, guys, 2 minutes for new hour to open, so be careful. Don't make a decision based on the move that is happening right
Yeah,
at this moment.
yeah. Don't do a do today. Don't do a do today.
Pull that dude.
Yo, that knock scared me. I was like,
Hello.
what the hell?
Hello?
That knock scared me. I was like, what the hell is
Chill,
that?
chill.
Hello?
Order filled.
Who was that?
Who was
I knew
that?
that was a soundboard. That
That
had to
was
be a
not me.
soundboard.
That was not me.
Who's the
Yeah, it was a
degenerate
soundboard.
gambler?
It was a soundboard. It was a soundboard.
Order field.
That shit, that it's actually ingrained in my mind. Like,
I gotta keep everyone on their toes. You know what I mean?
Oh shit. All right, so look, we have a 4 bar candle one more time with a break above. If you're taking longs, this is an ideal entry, but your tight stop loss is 820, 824. Just be careful. I wouldn't do it, but if you're desperate, you're at the bottom of the range, the confluence is there, you're at VWAP, it's an okay trade to take. It's just very small and tight stop loss.
You said long or short?
Long on NQ. And another thing that I mentioned is like since the 30-minute candle confirms it's not the correct CRT, it's just a pullback CRT. Yeah, we would be good for, some kind of long.
Here's the new minute. Let's see what happens.
Good luck to everybody. This is
Or the
10
new
a.m.
hour,
candle, new hour.
Break
So
even.
just flush.
There
Break
goes your long.
I'm still flat, guys. I'm just giving you an idea.
I went short when you said go long.
Good.
So.
You're fading me. I like
Probably for the
it.
Damn,
best.
she faded you.
She faded me, guys. Woo! That's crazy.
Holy shit.
Wait. Come on, flesh, baby, flesh.
Damn, nice.
My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff.
Soundboards are killing me, bro.
I'm in your. I'm in your.
Too funny.
It was so
Oh
funny.
my gosh.
Good said, okay, this is a good place to long, and suddenly,
Surprise, motherfucker.
Yup. Long is getting yup, dude.
No, this
we
is
gotta
definitely.
bro. Yeah, we're going down,
Hey,
boys.
guys, Segi's saying
Yeah.
720, 700. So everybody get the flush, man.
Tesla is dropping. Google is dropping.
Amazon's still holding.
yeah.
Wow. Surprising.
Yeah, but
I'm
Tesla needs
scared.
to.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
I'm making too much money.
Oh man, guys, I would be up like quite a nice amount right now. I would be up.
Or you
Down,
could
you
be
mean?
2 SLs down. Or you could be 2 SLs down because you got saved
By the
by.
bell. I got saved by the bell.
Yeah.
Because as soon as I saw $50 positive, I just dropped it at like $10 positive. I'm like, I ain't taking no L's
Just
today.
short it again, bro.
Nah, I'm good right now. I'm chilling. Somebody wrote opening price will get tested. Oh, Osho wrote. My market
What?
maker friend says that it's gonna test the open price, meaning we might retrace entirely.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The issue is when and after what. Ooh, tra-la-la.
Who has it?
Ronnie, you have break even, right?
I already got stopped out for like $108.
Beautiful.
I trail my stops on days like this. Like I'm not giving
Yeah,
anybody.
you should.
We say bye-bye.
Yeah, you should. No, we say bye bye. I'm not gonna die.
Segi's up. Nice. Very beautiful, Segi. Notice how it's still the beginning of the day, guys. There's just gonna be so much chop before they move where they really want to move.
If they move at all.
I mean, seeing those retracements on the Max 7, we should be looking a little bit short bias.
Yeah, because if Tesla goes back down to like 48, 47.5, that would be a full retrace of that pump. So that would be a 1 hour fake out and he could die. But the only thing that at this moment worries me is that the 1 hour on Tesla and Google closed very strong. So this could be just a slight retracement to continuation up later.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna share my screen real quick.
Go ahead, Chris.
Sure, bro. Go
It's
ahead.
your stream today, bro. It's your stream.
So this is what I mean by like an SMT. So ES made that higher high, took out, this liquidity, the high of the day.
Mm-hmm.
NQ, this was the weaker one, which I was preferring to short, and we made that lower high. So that's just like an extra confluence that this is the protected high, and this was the short play.
Beautiful, beautiful. Right now we have like a new lower high on NQ at 839. If it drops from here, we're gonna keep going down. If you also see, there's a divergence on ES and NQ. All right, boys and girls, full port shorts at 790, all the way to 720 with Segi. Good job, Matt. Good job. Hold that. Hold that. Break even at the moment if you need to, but it's a beautiful play. If you're gonna put a stop loss, put like 845 to give yourself some room in case it bounces really strong, comes back out. My market maker friend is saying that we should see a big drop here. So if you are short, you're holding this.
Yeah, I shorted on that mini pump. I shorted that mini pump because I saw Tesla was beginning to retrace again, and so is Alphabet,
Nice.
and everything right now is retracing. Once Apple starts to retrace,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it's game over.
All right, so let me see here. That's a nice pump just to trap buyers on the 15-second. And there she goes. Flush it, baby. Flush it. Flush it. Ooh.
Yeah, it's not gonna be an easy day. You're not gonna get a super pump or a super straight down move. It's gonna be like this, I think. Defend it, defend it, defend it, defend it, defend it, choppy, choppy.
Yeah, as long as you position yourself in a good area to short, you should be fine.
I had a feeling that we were gonna go down to 794. Remember I told you guys that? I'm wondering if we're gonna pass it up, so let me see.
Time to sell stocks, boys. Come on, sell all the stocks, sell everything.
The moment it just flushes hard, just tell us, all right? The Mag 7.
Yeah, so far Tesla is flashing hard, but Apple is the one that is holding everybody up at the moment because Nvidia already made a new low.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is going down, boys. If
I
you're
guess.
shorted from up, I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry, Ronnie. Sorry. You're one of the boys. Don't worry. Let's see what happens if they hold it up with Apple or if they just let it die. It's very possible if we break the data release price, we feel the wick on the low side of that data release on NFP that sits at what 726. We could feel that wick. If we break this area right here, we could feel it.
And we say bye-bye.
We just need to fucking Apple stop pumping and we die.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go get my car washed. See you guys on Monday.
Dollar, bro. Have a good one.
See you, bro. Have a great weekend.
Appreciate it, bro.
By the way, guys, if you look at the 1 hour, I'm looking at the 1 hour and I didn't see this before, but that is a proper CRT right there. This is exactly what I was talking about. I didn't see it earlier. I was so focused on the 30-minute. Go ahead and turn your charts into the 1 hour. This is what a CRT always looks like, especially at the new hour. Boom, it's so perfect. The wick usually comes up no longer than the body of the previous candle. And as you can see, the wick is always bigger in the middle.
Here we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. Die for daddy. Die for daddy.
Screenshot this 1
Yes.
hour and study that. Journal it.
Apple, show me some red, Apple. Show me some red.
And what validates it is we're so close to a resistance zone in two areas where the wick touched and where the body actually closed.
Pump now. Fucking Apple, man. Whew, that pump on Apple.
I'm gonna drop this on the actual community equity so everybody can have access to it. Don't forget to screenshot of that, save it, and study it.
Here we go. Dive, die, die,
Oh,
die, die, die.
EPs.
There we go.
This
Break
is
it.
looking good.
Break
I
it.
like this. Keep going, keep going.
Don't bounce here, you filthy.
Come on, bro.
Break this and flush. There
Good.
we go. Flush, baby, flush.
So we're looking for a break of the 200, says Segi. That's weird how Apple's the only one pumping and everything else is down.
Yeah. It happens, bro. There we go. Come on. Break. Stop fucking defending here. Let it die a good death.
It is literally edging my take profit right now. Like, oh my god.
That's 100 points from the 880s zone that I was calling. That was going to be a good area to enter short. Should have followed my call, guys. I should have followed my own call.
If this breaks this area, if it breaks now this area, we are definitely feeling the wick to the low size.
Oh, here we go.
Come on, baby.
Come on,
Keep
man.
going.
It's
Keep
literally like,
going.
come on, it's about to hit it. I'm about to hit it.
If you guys get the
Yes!
wick, if you guys get the wick to 725, 724, that would be epic. So
I
epic.
hit it.
Nice. TP hit.
Yes, sir.
My
And I'm about to
SL is
hit
at
it.
heavy.
I'm actually about to hit it on ES too, on the short.
Nice, nice.
Who's that?
My SL is at profit, so I'm chilling. Need this to break. Break and flush.
Come on, yes. Come on, just a little more.
Don't bounce here, man. Don't be such an annoying cunt.
Ooh, I don't like that.
What, cunt?
She's only boys until it comes to that word. Be careful. It doesn't want to bounce, but it doesn't want to go down.
Yeah, it's stolen because Max 7s are doing the same, bro. They are just.
But Apple, we're starting to see some
Figure it
red.
now. Yeah, here we go. Here we go.
This could be good.
Stop it!
Guys, remember
Amazon just doing its own thing. Fuck Amazon.
one of my boys just made a
Yeah,
comment
but
on the
Amazon had
stream.
a huge drop earlier in the week, so it had to recover.
Yo, boys, if you guys just want to get a reminder, it's Friday, and remember, it's time to get some money home. So make sure you guys are trimming profits here.
Yeah, I just set. I put my SL.
I was gonna say, yeah, my SL's in profit. Let's go. I just hit. Yes, let's go.
I'm taking away
Let's
400
go.
out of your
I'm getting
station.
closer and closer to my 800 profit for the day.
I'm taking
There's some
400.
beautiful short calls there. That was perfect. I hit both TPs on
Beautifully
ES.
played.
Thank you. Love it.
Here we go. This is it. We're going down. Hey, boys. Play the,
Aye.
This is your
cue
free
the
call, boys.
bye-bye. Cue the bye-bye.
Bye-bye, cutie, bye-bye.
The full
Let me
out.
say bye-bye.
There we go.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Yeah. Okay, TP1 hit, salad profits. Let's go.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
And this is why waiting. Yeah, come on. This
why
is
you need
why
patience.
waiting pays, boys. This is why waiting pays.
Mm-hmm.
I should have, but that's okay. I don't regret it. My TP was set.
No, yeah,
It's
it's
all
okay.
good.
I'm
That matters.
super
That's all that
close. I got
matters.
my TP at
Bro,
725.
this is crazy.
725 is my TP.
Keep going, baby. Hit TP2. Hit TP2 and bring me the full back home so I can have a super weekend.
Here we go.
Oh,
Here
it's
we go.
definitely hitting 725, 100%.
I don't know. This bounce looks like it keeps rejecting it.
Which
Yeah, I'm
which
ready.
time frame are you looking at?
I'm looking at NQ.
Give me
I
the,
only trade.
Oh,
I'm
give
not
me the
micro
weak
though.
feel. Give me the weak feel, baby.
Come on, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we
Here we
go.
go. Now. 50 points down. Come on.
Fill this shit.
Feel it.
Order filled.
Who the hell? Who just
Yeah,
took
so
that?
now maybe
What
it's
the hell?
somebody to profit, bro.
Mm.
How many points was that for you guys?
I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. I'm almost at take
I'm not
profit.
wait. I am
Order filled.
almost 60
What the
points
hell?
ready. 60 points.
Fuck yeah.
So from
That was a beautiful short.
Come on,
Now
here we
we're
go.
like
Here we go.
going.
I'm about to hit it. I'm so close. Stop edging it. Stop edging it.
so from 880 that we called, more or less, that would have been, if you would have taken the top, that would have been 151 points. And
I'm
you
That
looking
is
at an
actually
83
insane.
point drop. Come on, don't edge my stop loss. Keep going. Keep going. I'm so close. Like 5 ticks.
Pedro says it's going to thinks it's going to go to 681. That's crazy.
Here we go. Here we
guys,
go. Come
if you
on.
all if you
2
all took
ticks.
everybody
2
drop
ticks away.
a dub if you took that short from anywhere in the top or anywhere in the middle. That was a really good call. I think it was Chris that made the call.
My TP. My TP got hit on its fullest.
I
That's
think it's
750
time.
home, baby.
Wow, NX, that's beautiful, bro. Make sure you take trim some profits and let runners go. I would do like 4 trims and 1 runner in case it just keeps like going down all the way. I know you're
I
close to
think it's still
payout.
gonna go. I'm waiting it out.
Yeah,
My recommendation is trim 4 right now. Don't try to get full TP.
ice.
I
Whoever
got
is short,
TP. I got it. I got it.
All right,
nice.
good job.
There
Guys,
it is.
whoever
It
is
just hit
short,
it and went back up. Let's
be
freaking go.
quiet.
I'm up.
Let's go,
Be quiet.
baby.
Sep is like, I can't trim.
Silence.
Sep is like, I can't
Be
trim my
quiet,
baby.
list. Look at my stream on Max 7. Whoever
They're
is
all
short and
free
still in
falling.
play, let it run, bro.
Oh,
We
Let
are
it run.
falling.
Let it run. Yeah.
We are falling. Let it run.
We're going all the way to
Everything's red.
681. 681 would be the final.
I'm done for the
Look,
day. We did it.
Tesla completely
Oh, yeah.
smoked. Apple smoked. Alphabet smoked.
Yeah,
We
you're
are
not
heading
longing this
down.
at all. You're not trying to buy a falling knife
Ooh.
at all.
Oh, no.
Pozo,
No.
I'm a little scared for you, bro. I know you like buying.
Also,
Where are you buying, Pozo?
No. So I did blow some Apex accounts,
Okay.
which I didn't really care. So the problem, let me just tell y'all, psychology wise, psychology means so much. So I had 2 huge days earlier
Mhm.
this week. Like stupid huge. Like I said, I was doing like 21 contracts and got away from myself. Anyway, so good days, but then I had people screaming in my house and everything this morning, like early on at New York Open, and I was like, I can't trade like this. Like it can't happen. So now the house is quiet. So now I'm coming into the markets after all the messes happened. I blew like some like 5 just apex evals, don't care. It's fine. We'll start over with those.
Yeah,
But
evals don't hurt as much as funded account, that's for sure.
yeah.
But I'm sorry to hear
But
that.
no, I'm not trying to buy this. No, it's okay. It's just it's one of those things where those are the things you have to think about as a trader. Like, are you in the environment you want to be trading in?
It's
This
so
is why.
important. That's so important. Yeah, like
This is why I told
one of the things that I tell myself sometimes, I'm like, I don't realize how much one text message can really mess me up psychologically. It really, really can take a toll on me where I start making really bad decisions, just like what Pozo's saying. If there's shouting in the environment or your just environment is not it's not your P zone, it's not something that you're accustomed to trading, it's better to not even take a trade. It's better not to even open the chart. So be accountable to always be looking at, hey, you know what, checking your emotions before you come in. You know, did you have breakfast? Did you have coffee? Do you normally do your regular routine? Did you do your up and down technical analysis? These are all small things that can really make or break your day.
Order
So thank
filled.
you for sharing. Thank you for
We're
sharing. That's
bouncing
raw and
off
uncut,
of
guys.
right now. Like, we like literally bottom ticked.
So
So I'm just wondering what's gonna
we
happen.
have a W right now in the 15-second. So right now you're buying like 705 with a really tight stop loss. You're buying 705 with a tight stop loss to go into like maybe 780. You're looking for something like of a 60, 50 point move for the first leg up to come back down.
Yeah, we have a bearish fair value gap at like
Who order filled, by the
753
way?
and
Who order filled?
There's a
758.
daily opening gap that I told you guys about this morning. I think we're gonna fill. We just kind of like bounced off of it, but we're still bearish.
Who order filled? I heard somebody order fill.
Christian.
Okay.
Surely,
Order?
must be somebody's trailing stop loss, bro. It's not me. I'm out. I'm done for the day. I'm up 1,000.
Yeah, same.
Beautiful, bro.
Count me out.
Nice.
NX, what a big change, right? What a drastic change, bro. That's crazy. There you go, guys. So
Now,
there's the pump.
dude, you did have that long call, but then it spiked up a little bit, and then we doubted you, but then it went right back down.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I only made $12 for the day, guys, and I'm happy with that.
$12. Hey, that'll buy
You could get
smoothie.
McDonald's.
I could get a Big Mac with that, y'all.
A little grande at Starbucks.
Hell yeah.
We're all eating good today. Hell yeah.
Everyone's eating good.
All right, so this is the second leg down. So second leg down with real support would be clean to get the buy. If you're
I
gonna buy.
actually think if we continue to go down, we could hit 528. That's like a
Word?
3-to-1 reward off of the daily supply because we weren't looking at the bigger picture, guys. We did hit a daily supply zone right when market opened. That zone was like at 890. 890 to it was a buy zone to 24,007. So actually, we might take a big dump right now.
Oh yeah,
So
Guys, if you're green for the day, you're walking out. You're gonna go touch some grass, and you're gonna be happy with that. You're not gonna feel like, yo, there's more left on the table. You're gonna chill. You're gonna be like, hey, I made
I don't
money
know
last
what you're
Friday for
talking
you.
about, bro. I'm not a full port.
How much did you guys make this week, by the way, in total? How much are you guys up? If you're green, how much is it? If you're red, how much are you red for the week?
I have no
I'm
red
up
this week.
5K.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm green. I'm green about 2K.
Beautiful. That's somebody's 2 week salary in a week. That's crazy.
Nice. Yeah, I just made 850 with that drop.
That's
But I
beautiful.
could have let it run more, but I don't.
I was gonna
I
say
see money.
no harm taking your TP there. That was a really good short.
My TP. Being realistic is one of my plays, and aiming for the full week of the NFP data release as a TP is actually pretty solid. So you don't know if it's gonna bounce or keep going. So I just
Yo, Jeff,
TP
I'm
there.
trading at the moment. Get on the live trading group, bro. Dale. My bad, guys.
Ale duro.
At least hold your shorts to 543, you guys. OMG.
Ronnie, are you still holding your shorts?
I am going to take Cora to school right now, so
How,
I'm
how
out
many minis
of
are
my
you in?
shorts. I'm not doing minis, boy. Who?
You degenerate.
Thing is only going down, guys.
Wow.
It's crazy.
Lock it up. Lock it up.
And you know, one of the things that people do, when they start trying to look for, oh, the market went down so much, it's gonna start going up. You know, they don't wait for a solid, really foundation ground to get like a real support. Um, this is another thing to pay attention to. If you do ever enter with like an edge that you think this is the bottom, you break even no matter what. Always, always break even. Whether it's $5 or even $50 negative. It's better to lose 50 than to lose 200, $300 and then be like, it's gonna go up eventually. And then suddenly those negative 200 turn into negative 600. It happens to me, I'm telling you straight up. So don't let it happen to yourselves. Always wait,
You
always be
know,
patient.
Christian and I used to add to our losing positions,
That's
and we'd
crazy.
lose so many accounts that way. So it's
That's
just like,
wild.
it sucks. Being in the chair and like pulling the trigger and making the wrong choices, it happens to all of us. So, this is a hard psychological game that we're playing, you guys.
Mm-hmm.
So, whoever is like killing it, good job. Bravo. Bravo.
And we're killing
Dude,
it.
Yeah,
you
We're
need
we're
to
killing
pull.
it. We're killing it as a group, guys. If you guys really think about it, if you were trading this alone, you'd be more stressed out than trading this with a group. So this is all because of
only.
all of you. It's not just one person. I hope you guys know that. This is what it is because of all of you guys.
I was gonna say, this is
Peggy, what?
like the most beneficial thing I can do.
Segi says it took him 5 years to get his first $1 in trading. That's crazy. Look at that.
It took him what?
It took him 5 years to get one
Same
dollar in
me.
trading.
Same as me.
Yeah. Segi, that's
Not
wild.
$1, but I made money along the way. But to really stop losing big, it took me 4.5 years, almost 5, yeah,
It
to
took
get
me
what I am now.
it took me about a year and 7 months. That's more or less where I started seeing it different.
It's within the normal expectancy of it. 3 to 5 years. You're gonna lose every penny, and then you're gonna start getting better.
Mm-hmm.
We have a SMT on the 1 minute on NQ. What did we just tap?
What is?
Markets will wreck you mentally
651.
before
If I
reward you
if
financially.
if I'm not
Remember this.
mistaken, I did call 651, guys. 651 was gonna be an area that I was thinking of longs.
You're
Yeah, I'm not
mistaken.
long in this.
You're mistaken.
Let's look at the Max 7, bro. You do not want to long this.
I think it's just a
I
mini
like
pullback.
having the max and view right here. That's nice. So thanks, Gonzo. I'm watching that.
I need like 2 more screens,
You're
guys.
welcome.
Damn, this is a big ass drop, yo. Guys, just look at that 1 hour, y'all. That's
It's
crazy.
such a classic move, though. It's such a classic move
This is a
after a
textbook
huge
pattern.
pump. And on a Friday, it's such a classic move. They do this all the time. They make you think that they're gonna keep going up, and suddenly they drop the world on you, bro.
RMG.
And it keeps going. We were up.
This is actually crazy, bro. Imagine we all stayed in it. Like,
Yeah, I'm looking at that too, but we can't
Listen,
get greedy.
Can't
Greed
get
no,
greedy.
yeah,
is what wrecks us.
no complaints from me at all.
Mm-hmm.
But damn, holy crap, is it dumping?
I got stopped out,
yes,
but I
this
tried
is
And
to
now
use
you
the SMT. My bad, I was reading somebody's comment.
Dang. Closed it way early. That is, you left a lot of money on the table. Dude, one time yeah, I literally had like an Nvidia option one time and I sold it for like 500%. It went to like 1200%
Yo.
by like the quarter. I was just like, what the hell? So kind of sucks. We need to like
Who order filled? I heard order filled.
Order filled.
Autofill is the
He's
soundboard,
playing
bro.
the
Oh,
soundboard.
oh, it's a soundboard. Oh, okay. I was like,
This is
damn,
what
what the
today
hell?
sounds like. This is what today sounds like.
Ching.
Bro, I
oh my god, I
swear.
just
Hours
on
later.
that. That was my first ever sound.
Later.
I'm longing.
Yeah, long.
Yeah.
I'm longing 50 minutes.
Yo, Jay
Who went
Mula.
long?
Hey, Jay Mula, what's good, bro?
I'm
Who
longing. I'm
went?
longing.
Give me a second, bro. Hold on.
I'm not touching longs. I'm
Hey,
not touching anything today.
hey,
I'm done until
hey,
Monday.
hey, Jay Mula, what's your
Okay.
name? Jay Mula, what's your name?
My name is Jeff. My name
Perfect timing.
I'm going to upload
His
so
name is
many
Jeff,
sounds
guys. His
to
name
you
is
guys
Jeff.
this weekend.
Yeah, my name is Jeff. What
My
happened?
name is Jeff.
Yes, sir.
What?
Oh, cool.
Wait. What was your profit? What was your eval profit?
Yeah, you did too
Okay.
much.
You should have lost a couple, but I think you should be fine. Yeah, wait. You'll get an email. Wait till you get the email. It'll take like an hour.
You're gonna get an email when market closes, surely.
Market filled. Oh.
All right. I don't know if you guys use TradingView, but like we are hitting like a 25 doji candle. That's why like price is kind of hesitating right here, but I still think we're gonna go short, not long. I still think we have some room to the downside. I have to go, so I will talk to you guys later. I'm gonna try to just chime in on my phone, but I'm not gonna say anything else.
Mm-hmm.
Have
Sounds good.
fun.
Have a good
Take
one.
care,
Bye.
Ronnie.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Thanks. Bye.
What's good, Rigo?
What happened?
What's good, man? I haven't heard from you guys.
I haven't heard from
Regal's
you, man.
lost.
Where you been? You've been lost for like 3 months already. What happened?
I got knocked out and I was like out of it.
You
Because
started losing a
remember,
lot. You started full
remember I had
porting.
like I had passed 9 accounts, and then my dumb self just effed it up like it just effed me up a little bit.
Pay attention to this, guys. He has a beautiful testimony. He knows how to trade. He's an amazing, phenomenal trader. The problem is he wants money so fast that he's full porting his accounts, and guess what? He's blowing them left and right.
Yeah, I don't know, but it's
I
just something with
respect
me.
it.
I'm coming back to the future like next month though. I was trading forex lately. I'm doing pretty good on that. Not that good, but I'm okay. Well, I'm trying to come back like next month.
I think you're coming back
Yeah,
at
we
the right time because we have an amazing group now. We're doing live sessions every morning, and we have a lot of
I mean,
good
the
brains that
group's
are
been
working together.
amazing, man. That's why I
yeah.
came. That's why I came back.
I bet
Shorts are
you've been
looking.
watching my Instagram, huh? You've been watching my Instagram, huh?
Oh nah, I don't have Instagram no more,
You
bro.
don't have the Instagram
So
no
the
more?
group, no, I'm nah. I mean, like how you say? It's deactivated for like 4 months. I don't just focus on my life. I don't just be like watching too much stuff. You know what I mean?
I hear you. I hear you. That's good. Well, hey, come back, man. I'm waiting for you. You know, I want all my friends in my group to go up with me, and I don't want to be the only one going up, bro. I have
Hey,
all these internet friends right now, but
know how it works.
I
Here we
want
go,
people
man.
close to me.
Once a trader, always a
Bro,
trader, bro. Come
everything's
on,
more fun in the group. Like,
It's always amazing when you have people that are around you that are close. Like I know Jeff since I was like what 14, 15, Jeff.
man.
Yeah, like we
Yeah,
trained each
yeah.
other for a long time. So I'm
damn.
31 now, so you can see, I'm trying to make sure all my friends go up with me. Marcos is another example. Chino's another example. These are people that I want close. I want people close to my life
Fun.
to really.
What?
I want people close to my life to be enjoying the fruit of what we're doing every day.
We're doing good. I think we got a good group. I think we had 19 people in here today.
Bro, yeah, this is unreal.
Bro, we had 19 people yesterday, 19 people today, and if you guys keep inviting people and bring them in, trust me, everybody's gonna enjoy this.
It's only going up.
I'm trying to get to 1,000 people by
We're
next year,
logging?
so no.
No, he meant the server.
It's taking too long.
What was that?
What up, fellas and ladies?
You still don't stop that, Rico?
Here?
Say that one more time.
You still don't stop that?
I'm still in Top Step, bro. That's the only firm I've only been used to using, so kind of want to keep
Wow.
it now.
Top Step is the best.
It's alright.
Nah, it's the best. Alpha Future sucks.
DoodTrading.
Apex.
Hey, you guys know my name is Rigo, right? You guys can call me Rigo. You guys can say
DoodTrading.
everybody calls me dude. You guys can call me my name, Rigo.
DoodTrading.
What's your name, Rigo?
Rigo, R-I-G-O.
Rico?
Rigo.
What is
You said Ringo.
Rigo?
Rango? Rango?
It reminds me
No,
of
it's
the
Rigo.
that character from movie Dread.
Oh, yeah.
Fridays with Rigo.
DoodTrading.
Yes, dude.
DoodTrading.
You know who this is?
Who's that? Jamie?
The one and only Papo, don't forget.
I know that. You gonna come on YouTube, yo. Sound beautiful.
What?
The one and only.
What'd you say?
I say you sound beautiful in the voice. I could tell it's you.
Thank you. They told me I've gotten complimented over my voice. ¿Tú me entiendes?
I hear you.
Yeah,
You do
that
all the
was me
voiceovers.
yesterday.
They say I got an accent.
You do.
I thought you were a dude. I can't lie. I thought you were a dude.
It's okay. I was
Judge.
trying to make my voice deep so Rigo wouldn't recognize me, but of course he did.
That's my cousin. Yeah. I'm
Is
trying
it
to get him to
Ronnie's like
trading.
daughter? What is this?
Rigo.
Negative. I am his blood cousin.
La
Oh.
prima.
La prima.
Somos primos.
Me da garrote.
¿Qué?
It's
Que
funny
me da
because the
garrote.
cousin speaks Spanish, but the other cousin doesn't.
You don't know what garrote
Do
is,
you
prima?
know who this is? What do you mean?
I don't know who anybody is except Rigo and Ronnie. That's it.
Jamie's gonna be learning how to trade with us soon. Right, Jamie?
Right.
Soon, but this just looks like gibberish to me. I don't like losing money, so that's why I don't like to do this. Because I was betting, and then when I would lose, I'd get very upset and emotional because I'm like, damn, that's my money. But then when I would win, I'm like, damn, why didn't I make more? So that's why I'm like, because
You don't get the emotional side of this. You sound like 90% of traders.
yeah, that's why I'm like, nah, I just need like a stable income. I don't know. That's just how but it is something that is good because I see y'all be making money. And I'm like, damn, it could have been me, but
Yeah.
You could demo trade. There's nothing wrong with
What? Why are you talking like that? Our dog talk to everyone.
Yo, Matt, I'm in a live session at the moment. I'm trading, so I won't be able to go right now, but I'll be with you like in 30 minutes, all right? Dale, bro.
Dale duro, amigo, dale duro.
My bad. Our Tabaka is trying to talk to everybody.
It's actually looking long for anybody using light size. Very light size.
Y'all Puerto Rican?
Nah, from Nicaragua, bro.
We're Mexicans.
505.
Never mind.
no, we're not Puerto Rican.
Guys,
We are.
let's get back to trading. Posto's trying to say something. What are you trying to say, Posto?
No, never mind. Just when it's haunting. It's like every time it pulls up and it's like looking like it wants to bounce. It's like not. Just kidding. So never mind. I'm not trading this crap.
I don't like longs until over 700s.
Yeah,
then,
no, that would be good confirmation.
Yeah, over 700 I would look for a long though. Until then, I'm chilling.
Look, the only way you're
Yeah,
looking
'cause-
for longs, in my opinion, is somewhere around 550, 570. In my opinion.
I'm
See, I
still
don't
my
like
short.
584.
I'm still my short from earlier this morning.
Who?
I think it's gonna break lower.
Oh, I only have a
heading
run. I only have a
lower.
runner left.
Who's short?
We are heading
We're
definitely
we're
lower.
literally bouncing right now off Segi.
Nice,
I
Segi.
finally got on voice for a second.
Yeah, for a second I'm like, who the hell is that? I couldn't recognize the voice.
No, I traded at my 9 to 5, so I just came to the car real quick just to chill for a little bit because fuck them.
Here we
That's
go.
what's
I'll
up.
come.
Yeah,
Sagi's about to quit his job, guys.
Yep.
yeah.
All right, guys.
I stay within a month or so.
I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Good work today.
Dale, next. Have a good one,
Sure,
bro.
bro. Go ahead.
All right, bro.
Thank you for everything, Gonzo, dude. Thank you guys.
Hey,
You're very welcome,
everybody
bro. You're
everybody
more than
chipped into that.
welcome.
The most important one that dropped it today was Chris. He's the feature of the day, and I think Ronnie and Segi confluences
Chill.
added that. That was good, guys. That was
Perfect.
good.
I'll go thank him later. Thank you guys, though.
Dale, guys.
Have a good one, man.
You too, bro.
Hey, Billy, did you get any trade?
Uh, uh, no, actually, I missed it.
Oh, next time.
Yeah,
Next
I
time.
missed it. Yeah, actually, I was logging it paper trade, and I didn't log in with my trader weight. That's why I missed it. I placed on my paper trade, and I missed that move.
You're
That's
okay.
right.
Hey, we do this every single day, so you just gotta come every single day at 9:30. All right? And
Sure, sure,
you would know if we're
definitely.
not doing this because I would announce it beforehand. And if I'm not gonna be the one doing it, it's gonna be either Gonzo or Ronnie if they're available, or anybody else that would like to take over. You guys are always
Yeah.
open to take the floor. This is not a one man band.
Yeah. So, you done with for today?
I'm basically waiting for an opportunity. I got stopped out and break even, so I haven't even jumped back in. I'm just being
Okay.
patient. I'm so close to passing my evals that I'm not even in a rush to pass them. I'd rather be safe than sorry.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Bye
Panda,
bye.
talk to me, Panda. What's up with you today? What are you doing with trading?
I think she took a short earlier.
I actually took a long from 633 with one micro and I secured 100 ticks. So far on the day, I'm up $300. I'm taking
Hey,
this account slow. I just started this week, so
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
I'm glad to hear that. So you're up about 700 bucks right now?
On the account, I'm at 50,825 so far.
Very nice, guys. Please give her an applaud, guys. Drop some dubs for her.
W's in the chat. W's. All right, we're at 600. So let's see if 600's hold. If not, I'm just
It won't.
trailing my stop down.
So 570, 560s is where I would say
Just keep
buy,
watching
guys.
at the max 7, guys, and you'll see that 600 it won't hold. All
Yeah.
of this is heading downtown.
I got my TP at 400 for this one runner, but I'm trailing my stop in profit. I'm at $300 in profit on my stop
That's amazing.
off of one micro.
That's crazy. That's the power of one micro when you're in the right direction, guys. You could literally hold one
But
micro throughout the whole day in the right direction, and you're up 300, 400 bucks for the day.
Yeah,
what I
people.
really want to say is if you guys are not in a trade right now, please don't try to enter or FOMO it because we are at the moment we are getting 30 to 50 point candles. So yeah, 1 minute
Yeah.
candles, which is they are quite heavy. So please just let it go until you're in a really nice place.
Yeah, at this point, I'm waiting for a long,
And you don't need a sniper entry,
if possible.
guys. You really don't need a sniper entry.
Yeah, I'm just chilling on this trade until it either hits my trailing stop or it hits 400s.
What kind of trailing stop do you use?
I just manually move it.
Okay. You like follow it by levels or like
Um,
what's your
I'll
thought?
throw on I'll throw on 13 and 30 EMA, and I'll just trail it above the 30. So I'll screenshot that right now.
My bad,
Name's
guys.
Jeff.
I didn't mean to do that. My bad, guys.
So I'm just trailing it above the. Hold on, I'm gonna send it in the chat right now.
We can go to short now, or we have to wait for the long.
Yeah,
No, you're not doing
Yeah,
anything right now,
it's too
Billy.
late for.
You're not doing
yeah,
I
nothing,
it's too
Billy.
think
late
it's
for
too late.
shorts.
You are late to
Sorry,
short.
sorry, I missed it.
You're not doing nothing right now, Billy. Don't even touch it. Just look
Oh,
and
okay, okay.
just chill. You know, like right now, until anybody here, like Gonzo or Segi or somebody says, "Hey, I'm starting to see a long," you start just analyzing your confluences. What you're doing is you're not blindly hearing somebody say, "I'm gonna buy now," and you're gonna blindly buy, right? You're gonna look at the chart
Ever.
and you're gonna analyze, okay, what zone are we in? Is it a demand zone? Are we still sweeping liquidity? Are we aiming for something specific? Is the resistance turning to support? Where were we before where we are now? Is it a zone that makes sense? Is there a pattern that tells you there's a break of structure to continue or something along the lines that's a change of character? You're not doing nothing. You're technically just waiting for this chop to give us a direction. And plus, if you look at the stream that Gonzo's sharing with us, these are called what the Mag 7 are. So basically, these are the biggest stock companies um, in the United States, and they kind of lead us into what direction we might be going. If they're all red, you're not even touching this. If they're all just
Yeah,
chopping
it's just
sideways,
riding this 13 EMA on the 1 minute.
yeah,
Hmm.
if it's just moving sideways, you're not touching them. The moment you see all of them turn green and they're pumping hard,
And I don't use EMAs for whenever I execute trades. I
mm-hmm,
just when it's a trending market, I turn on EMAs because
mm-hmm,
it tends to like just ride them.
mm-hmm.
But for now, I'm just chilling in this.
Yeah, right now, Billy, you're just chilling. You're really, really just chilling. I
Okay,
mentioned to the group that 545, 570s might be an opportunity for a long. It's not going to be a full reversal. It might be something like a, 20 to like 80-point move on average. When I look for a leg up on the first move is usually average 60 points, but you need to get the bottom. Once you see the market run 30 points, it's not even worth chasing it. It's better to wait for the second leg down. The second leg down will give you kind of like a real support base, and it will just slowly crawl up, create some kind of structure to go to the upside. Um, but yeah, we're bouncing
okay,
around. We're bouncing on top of that demand zone at this moment. It just doesn't mean you go in now.
okay. Mhm. I got it. Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm sending you a screenshot of what I'm looking at so you can see what I'm talking about since I'm not sharing my screen.
Uh, I missed it. What do you say?
I sent you a screenshot of my screen on the
Okay,
chat so you can
okay,
see what I'm talking about.
okay, okay. I got it.
I
And
would
one
be
more
sitting
thing,
pretty if I didn't
I had
start
one
the
more
day off
question.
red. What was
Sorry,
that?
sorry. I'm saying I have one more question. I can I trade on NQ also, right?
Yeah, this is only NQ. We technically only trade NQ, which we shouldn't
O-
only, but it's right now the market we usually all trade. So that's what we only
Okay,
look at. So pay pay
okay,
pay attention to your chart to always be on NQ if you're ever in this
uh,
group.
okay. I got it. And how do I know that what is my daily limit in my that prop firm challenge? Because I want to also pass my valve, and I am already below and down today. So that's why I'm asking.
Okay, so on prop firms, you have what's called a daily loss limit or a max loss limit. Depending on what firm you're using, there's usually like a $1,000 daily limit. And then on others, it could just be a max loss limit that you could lose it all in one go. And they don't disqualify or discriminate any $1,000 trade losses. Um, but in general, you shouldn't even be thinking about that. You should be thinking of trading like, hey, you know what? I'm only gonna do strict 30 points for one micro, two micros max, where I'm gonna lose maybe 120, $150, depending on the zone that you're in. Remember, you shouldn't look at stop loss as a money sign stop loss. You should look at it like, where's the risk that I'm willing to take to hold a support level or resistance level that's gonna be respected. Um,
Okay.
Yeah.
so never
Mhm.
look at your stop loss as in, oh, I'm willing to lose $100 or $200. Because the moment you do think like that, you're always gonna get stopped out, and it's always gonna go in the direction that you were trying to go to. Um,
Yeah.
Do you guys see the 1 hour candle on NQ? That's the devil's dick, man.
That thing is crazy. We could be getting into like some support around here.
That is fucking crazy. So we basically came back and tapped yesterday's New York session VWAP.
I think I'm gonna
Yeah.
take my profit here. Yeah, I'm gonna just take it. Oh shoot!
Nothing wrong with that, bro.
I
Nothing wrong with
canceled my
that.
trailing stop by accident. Yeah, I took profits. I'm up 680 for the day. I was red starting off the day because I took a gold short earlier, but I think I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna lock my account out. Let's see. Yeah, I'm done for the day. Just gonna call it. I just felt my brain power just kind of depleting, and I was just like,
Yo, that shit dropping. That shit dropping.
"Thank you."
Who was that?
Damn, where could this go to?
That was Jamie.
Oh,
I
okay.
can see 410. I can see 410 still, but yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna just call it.
That was a good
You
trade,
see,
both
you
Jamie.
had a freeze too. That shit dropping.
Such a rookie.
Yeah, Max still look horrible.
Such a rookie.
La primo.
Yo, mute that girl, man. Mute that girl.
I said 543, guys. I think we're gonna get to 543 at least. So I'm watching for my car,
I, I
but
I do see that because for some reason I have my gap of like demand from 578 to 545, 547. So that could
mhm.
be a zone that if I start seeing rapid momentum up after like some kind of like W shape or something on the 15 to 30-second chart, I'm taking that sniper long. That's why I'm only here.
That drop from the top is insane.
Yeah.
Like seriously, we got to
Is
923, 900 and 300 over 300 points.
Straight.
Imagine doing that on one mini, guys, and having the balls to hold it.
That's
Like that would be
327 points.
amazing.
327 points. That's amazing, guys.
Hmm.
Good job, Seki.
Yeah. The thing about it is ES also swept all time highs and then dropped. So it trapped a lot of longs up there. Plus a lot
Oh
of
yeah.
there's a lot of news going on too with the rate cuts and everything.
It's crazy. That's like what you call family drama in the indices because if somebody is having a bias on their NASDAQ compared to what the ES was doing, that's wrong because the ES obviously hit all time highs where the NASDAQ still has a lot of room to go. So when
Yeah.
there's like a mix like that, you gotta be wary. I knew
Yeah.
a guy that traded Nasdaq based off the SPY levels, and I was just like, "That's bizarre," you know.
Yeah.
Really,
I do
really
that
weird.
sometimes. Not all
You
the time.
do?
Yeah. Like for example, today I saw that ES swept the all-time highs, and it gave me an entry on ES, but I was already in my NQ short, so I added one micro to my trade once I saw the ES entry, and then I just
Okay.
yeah I
So
used
you
both of
saw an
them.
ES short entry?
Yeah, I saw a ES short entry for my at least the way I trade. I saw one, but I didn't
Oh,
take it because I was already in NQ. But I just
where are you
added.
from?
I live in South Carolina, but I'm Puerto Rican and I was born in Puerto Rico.
Oh, cool. I like your accent.
Dude, I heard I have a southern accent.
You
You
do?
do. You
You
do.
do.
Yeah, I was here. I mean, I moved to South Carolina when I was 5, I think. So that's probably where I get it from. I don't see the accent, but I think I'm just used to it.
we just bumped almost 100 points.
Yeah,
Do we?
guys.
I mean,
No, it's 56 points.
Yeah,
56 points. This is what I was saying. So if you look at the 1 minute, we have
my
four.
math ain't nothing today.
If you look at the 4 minute candles, guys, we have. I'm sorry, the 4 minute. The 1 minute. If you look at the 1 minute, we have the four candles that I always talk about with the engulf with the confirmation candle to continue to the upside. That's what I always look for when I'm looking for a reversal for my first long. But the first leg up is usually a trap to then come back down and eat everybody up. If you look at the 1 minute, there's no wick at the bottom of 566. So this is going to be the first move up to trap all buyers, at least 60 to 80, 90 points. Then comes right back down to the 545, 520, and then it takes off one more time, giving us kind of like that SMT shape candle that we all like to trade long.
If
So
you look at the 1 hour, it hit the top wick of a 1 hour doji. And like dojis are strong in the market, you know. I always like to trade off of dojis. And yeah, it hit it pretty like to the T and kind of had a little retracement from there.
beautiful. And I think
So
we saw this yesterday, right?
mhm.
Yeah, we just saw this
Come
yesterday. I
on.
remember. I have good memory. That's good material.
That's why like trailing your stop is so important, you know,
Mm-hmm.
for you.
Yeah.
For
Only thing I gotta work on
Jane
right
doesn't
now.
do that.
All right, so 5 minute
Mm.
guys, 5 minute candle engulfed already almost entirely. So right now what we're gonna look for is the leg down to then continue to get the real support and then we go to the upside. So as you can see, this first leg up gave us a total of 74 points. That's why I say 60 to 90 points is usually the first leg up. Now, if this respects the 600s and it keeps flying from 600, you're looking for 680. I'm sorry, you're looking for 680 to be your first TP, and your second TP will be something like 740. And if you look at the 15-second chart, we have sort of like what it is, what I would consider a triple bottom with a retest at 590, and then it continues way up. It's going to be like slowly crawling back up if it doesn't come back down. Patience is virtuous, guys. You're not missing out anything. And look at the Mag 7. I didn't see it until now. Tesla has a green candle, Nvidia, Apple, they're all giving us that indication of long except Microsoft. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna take a long at 545 to be honest with you.
Well, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go back into work.
Have a good one, brother. Thank you for spending time with us in this.
Yo.
We finally hear your voice.
No, tomorrow's Saturday. Let's see you. Y'all take it easy.
You too, brother. Let's see here. So we're still seeing some sell pressure, guys. Let's see here.
This little green move is a retracement.
So this what we're doing is we're finding support. Right now what we're doing is we're finding support, and when we're finding support, we're not really doing nothing.
Okay.
If you were a scalp trader, you would have taken the trade around the breakout of 588 for a quick scalp, and you would trail your profits quickly. But right now you're not doing nothing.
Okay, I got it.
Gonzo, are you gonna go along with me or not really?
Full pour launch.
Nah, you're crazy.
Where's Ponta?
Gonzo's probably eating his breakfast or lunch.
Oh my god, come to 543, baby. Come to 543. That would be like a 3-to-1 trade on the freaking daily supply. It's pretty much there. Like, come on. It's like 95%, 99%. OMG. Let me go back to the webinar real quick. Everyone's silent at 5:45. It's pretty much there. Like literally, that was a great, great day for whoever was in that short. Dude, you should have been short.
Yeah, I should have. I should have low keyed, right? But I'm waiting for my long,
Mm,
guys. I know it's super risky, but I'm waiting for my long. Here we go.
I would long the middle of the like right there
Order
to the
filled.
bottom of the
I'm long.
doji.
I'm
My
long.
stop loss.
I'm long right now.
Let's see what happens.
You went long, bro?
I'm long right here.
Oh, well, it did hit the 543 level, so that is amazing. See, I need to practice on holding on to my trade. Like, this is
I'm long right now.
crazy.
I'm break even now.
Nice.
What?
Come on,
Order
bro.
filled.
Ah, are you serious? No! Why are you gonna take me out and run without me? Are you serious?
Where was your
No!
She's not
stop?
I put my
Like,
she's
stop
not
I'm
at.
not.
running yet, bro.
No, no,
She's
no.
not running. Don't worry.
I'm
She's
zoomed
not
in and
running.
I'm at the 15 second. I'm so zoomed in that all I care about is my pattern. So I put my stop at 549.
What the heck?
That was
You
crazy.
are really, really tight on your stop.
I was up like 200 bucks at one point. I was like, yes.
Are you doing minis?
No, 5 micros.
Oh, jeez.
All right, so now that we have some kind of support show in that zone, now I'm really gonna wait for my pattern.
Support, bro.
Guys, when I look at zones like this of what I'm talking about, I try to have full confidence in what I'm trying to do, because I always break even right away. I don't let like I enter so sniper that I don't wait for any negative to show up on my screen. Come on, let's get the pump going. Everybody's like, Rico's
No,
degenerating right now.
it's gonna drop.
It's gonna drop more. Where do you
Yeah,
think
it's not drop, bro.
what do
Yeah.
you think, Pozo?
We're back in the psychological level from Sunday,
Mm-hmm.
so it can literally drop back down to. Hold on, I hate this screen. Like if it cannot hold the Asian session, like basically right here
We just
at
tapped
553.
we just tapped the demand zone where I sent buys last time. Wow, that's crazy.
But if we flush through it, then I mean, really, we should at least go take yesterday low.
I hope you're right. I mean, it is a new hour counter, by the way. I forgot about that.
Oh yeah.
That's why we're
And you
getting
keep
those crazy
forgetting that
reactions.
Max 7 still look like utter shit.
Yeah, you're right. I gotta be extra patient. Hey, at least I'm executing though, guys. At least I'm following my rules. Oh my god, look at this. 517. That's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy.
You
Crazy.
guys, we were up 260 points on NQ after NFP, and now it's minus 150.
Mm-hmm. It's true.
That
Wild.
swing was insane.
That's insane.
Wild.
Notice how all the good traders are sitting on their hands, and I'm over here trying to get the sniper entry. Don't do what I'm doing today, guys. Please don't.
Nobody's doing what you're doing.
I know that. I'm usually off by 20, 15 points, so please give me a break. I was off by 25 points at this point.
Going to hold this? No.
Look, if I get
Yeah, she's not holding.
if I get four candles that are support at 520, 530, I'm gonna take my long one more time. The way this 1
On
minute
what
candle
time frame?
looks on the 1 minute. The way this 1 minute looks, it looks like it wants to reverse. I'm usually off on my zone by 15, 20 points. That's why I'm saying this.
And if you know you're usually off by 15, 20 points, why don't you just wait for those 15, 20 points?
You know what it is? You know what it is? When I wait for those 15, 20 points, I move it a little bit too far away where it leaves me behind, and I'm like, damn, I should have taken it, and then I don't take anything. Because then I keep thinking in
Okay,
my
then
mind that it's gonna give me.
lower your size and have a bigger cell so you don't get kicked out.
True, 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 true. All right, so in the 1 minute we're getting this. I'm sorry, in the 15 second we're getting a W, the W shape. One more time. Should give us a small little pump to get a retest.
I never broke the doji low, so that's what I'm looking at right now. Let's see.
All right, so there's our W on the 15 second, and there's the pump. Damn.
Damn.
Yeah.
You literally put your stop loss like way too soon.
Look, Pozo, this is what I'm talking about, so you can see it on your charts. Can you send me a screenshot of what yours looks like when you see that on the 15 second? I want to familiarize myself with your chart. All this is telling me that buyers are already getting injected.
Mm. I see what you're saying, like a little W on the 15 second, but we didn't really close and break above anything yet.
The reason why is because we're at the critical supply zone from 525, 520. This was an area that I was mentioning yesterday that we broke and retested, and just we would fly to TP1 and TP2. So the fact that we're bouncing from that, that's reacting like a full support zone to get retested. Here, let me show you my screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about.
There we go.
All right, so you guys see the 30 minute, right? So we have the 30 minute. This is the exact area where I told you guys to buy yesterday. I even highlighted it because I wanted to see what was gonna happen. It literally took me out, and then it made the little bounce from here all the way to the top non-stop. So this is all we're doing. We're coming back from the top all the way down to then come back up into this gap, which is 750, 730. And in the next 30 minutes, this is going to be like an area of support. On the 15 minute, you can see the same thing. 5 minutes already turning like buyers are in. 3 minute already confirms to be a support zone. 2 minute as well. Everything's getting in sync for longs. So if you're taking longs with 1 micro here. And your stop loss is going to be like 720, 715 max.
$7.20?
Yeah, because what happens is we haven't taken out the low here at 495. You see this 495 right here?
I'm
495
not
and
even watching the stream.
well 513 and
Yeah, we just rejected that again.
yeah, I did see
Mm.
that. So that's what I'm saying. The first legs up are usually the traps because they want to squeeze both sides. They want to trap the buyers, they want to trap the sellers, and then they make the move.
Are you long now?
No, I'm not. I'm chilling because you guys are not giving me confidence. I'm not gonna test my edge against you
Take
guys.
take a long and just take a long.
Nah, I'm good. I'm
I mean,
chilling.
at some point, they're just going to come back to VWAP.
Yeah, it has
Yesterday
to.
high,
It has to come up.
but
I
well,
hate
it doesn't
when
have
you're
to go
not
up.
pulling any triggers.
All right,
He was
see,
earlier.
1, 2, 3, 4. You see
Yeah, he
this?
took a trade. I know.
Look at the 2 minute. Look at the 2 minute. We have this sort of like uh support, which is like a basing, and then the close of the 2 minute would give me more confidence to say that we're gonna go to the upside. The problem here is that I don't want to be chopped up getting this, like the M that I always talk about comes right back down, takes out that 513 that I keep talking about, and then as you can see is the shape that I always talk about, which is the injections of liquidity. These are the liquidity, and then it takes off with market makers coming here to take out all the stop losses, and then they go. So 513, 513, 490s is your real injection of buyers with market makers. It's always the same pattern I talk about, guys. So first leg up, then it comes down, creates the like the squeeze for both sides, and then gives us the real direction. I don't want to hear Gonzo saying I made $1,000, $2,000 in the next 10, 15 minutes.
Gonzo, are you on a trade right now?
I'm flat.
Me too.
You know what?
I'm not trading with my lives today.
You know what? Since I believe in this trade, I'm gonna put a limit order, and I'm not gonna make excuses about it. If I take an L, I take an L. Let's do 495 as a precaution.
For a limit buy?
Yeah, limit buy. I wanted to tap like as low as there. You see this right here? I wanted to tap as low as here to take everybody out here, and I'll put like a limit sell 5, sort of like here. Make it lower just in case. All right, let's see if I'm right. This is the first time I ever do a limit order for you guys. But look, you could already see exactly where I drew the 503 is exactly where it almost looks like they're getting kind of like injections of buys on the 32nd. I hope I'm right. And if I'm wrong, I patiently waited for this. We're looking at 100 points up, 90 points up into this zone right here.
Really pretty fast.
Oh no, Sleepy Pandy took a small loss. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, once you're green, try to stay green, especially on a Friday, all right? My recommendation is always, always, always wait. This is only the beginning of the move. God, please bring them back. Flush them and bring me in like with a fast, rapid fire. There you go. Okay, good. Good stuff. Good stuff, Panda. How do you interpret the Mag 7 right now, Gonzo? Do you see buyers starting to step in or not really?
They are, yeah, they're trying to find support, but they're still like going up and down.
The scary part of me trying to buy it here is that we're so close to TDO, and I had a green marked on TDO to be 460, 470. Oof, I would hate if it comes back here and it just fills all this wick out. That'd be insane. All right, so look, we have the W. You see the W right here? It's really ugly. We have the W, the retest, and that could be the real move up already. So this is the W. It's ugly. The retest, and there's our continuation candle. On the 15-second, this is why when I saw Pozo trade the other day on the live, not trade, but I saw her share her chart. I was curious about it, and I was asking a lot of questions because her vectors and her imbalances show me a lot that I can see with an indicator a little easier. And I don't have to second guess as long as I can memorize the specific patterns. Pozo, can you screenshot what the 15 seconds looks like for you right here?
Yeah. Check out that W on the 1 minute. Right below the side high. The only problem I have with this, and this is the same shit that happened last week, is Fridays will not always give you the same move as it will during the week because it's Friday.
You're right.
So they tend to get to a point and then they just kind of shut off the algos and everybody goes and has martinis at lunch. Or margaritas or whatever the hell they have. But yeah, no, I'll send you this. We basically made a W back into Asia's range.
I just
So-
got a call on QQQ too, and I'm already up 35.
What is it
So
called?
I wish I was paying attention and not scrolling Instagram when I saw this. If this was me, I'd be writing this back to the VWAP or what is this? Yesterday's high.
That's 66
Yesterday's high,
points already,
basically.
guys.
Daily open.
66
700.
points. That's crazy.
This is the shit that pisses me off. But it's Friday and 10 o'clock was my cutoff time.
So one more characteristics to understand here. So I always talk about the M. You see this M right here? And then the engulf candle. You see the dragonfly there. Even though it's red, you can see the buy pressure here. So that right there just gives you the confluence that it's just continuing up and up and up and up. And if you look at the 2-minute, it's beautiful. This is a continuation candle. It's confirmation after confirmation.
wow, my calls are up $53. So that is crazy. I'm just gonna close it. I'm happy with that. I hardly trade options. So closing it. Wow, very nice. Good job. What kind of gave me some confluences of taking that is that on the QQQ we were like in a 1 hour demand, you know? So I think you can hold it for. Did you go long first of all?
No, I didn't get my limit order filled. I put it down at the below of the wick, 490. I was looking for 495 just in case. You know, I didn't want to get too much drawdown. And then I was gonna add rapid as it went up, I was gonna add like 10 more micros. This is why I say I'm always off by 15, 20 points. So my original would have been like 530. I would have been okay. This is why I always do 30 points, quote unquote.
This is where if you had wanted, so now if you wanted to get back, if you wanted to join in thinking this was going to continue long, you would literally have to wait for them to come back and retest the 550.
Yeah,
like
that's
554.
Right. That's right. You would wait for 558 max. Like you're not gonna get into this right here at the moment until 558, and your stop loss minimum 530.
Yeah, because that's basically your what some people call it an apex nadir. It's basically the midpoint of your W. You want it to hold that to be able to get in to join in on it.
It was really like a hot arrival to like a 3 hour demand, you know. So that huge dump is a hot arrival. So if you're looking at a 3 hour chart. But I think we can retrace a little bit more to the upside.
Yeah, the 5-minute, the 3-minute, the 1-minute, the 2-minute, they're already in sync. Even the 15-minute. The 15-minute already gave us confirmation to go up. You're looking for your holds into 700, 750 max. It's gonna be a slow crawl up, really slow. Gonzo, I know you're a little quiet, bro. How many micros are you in, bro?
Nothing. Still flat. Waiting for a retrace now to 550 to enter, but
All right, so we're getting this like one of the things I always say is we get this little M shape now again one more time. That's gonna be sort of like a double top to come back down, and it would give us hopefully the entry that we want to continue to the upside. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So we'll either break this and head down further, which I don't think will actually be it, but you probably have another.
If we
I
do,
don't know. Yeah.
if we do
Retest support and hold, maybe. I don't know.
look, if we do break the 550s, it can't break below 545. If it breaks 545, we're going deep into that 495 where I have my limit order.
So that was a nice flip.
Yeah.
Kind of. 15-second.
All right, so we did touch 560, and 560 is acting very, very bullish. How's the Mag 7 looking? Interpret that for me, Gonzo, please.
The same.
Same
They're
still?
still they're going sideways. They're
Okay.
going sideways.
Yeah. The run is done. Possibly.
Yeah, I think that's it for today.
Yeah, they should hit consolidation. Should. But
Yeah.
on a Friday. If this was like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'd be like, I'm down 20 contracts.
Your
I'm a risk,
apology, I love
I'm a
it.
risk and a biscuit.
That's so funny.
I admire you. It's so cute, honestly. It's cute, but I'm not. I don't think I could ever be like that. I don't know. My
I am
mentor said that
very,
I will be one day, but I don't know.
I'll tell you what it is. I'm very disconnected from money.
Yeah, that's it is. That's all it is.
In which, I mean, I guess it's, yeah.
You lose sense of reality. You lose the emotion of, hey, it's just $500. You don't care about it. You stop thinking about it, and all you care about is, what is the chart telling me? How do I interpret that? It's so fast that you look at it,
Right.
like as a trader, that you're going from 300, $500 and like 50 points, 60 points. When you look at $500 and 10 points, you're like, whoa. That sometimes it scares you to not close that, but you already knew where to enter. You already knew what was going to happen. You already had an idea of the risk that you were taking. Whether it hits or doesn't hit, that's on the market. You can't guarantee the outcome of that. But if you have a 150K account and you're doing constant two minis, your stop is going to be $400. It's no longer going to be $100. It's going to be $400 clean, because you're waiting for the max entry that gives you the sniper entry to like have as least drawdown. When I see two,
Yeah.
three minis of negative 500, I don't feel nothing. I really don't feel nothing. I don't feel nothing. But when I start seeing 600 negative, I already know I'm in the wrong trade.
That's your viewpoint.
That's that, like with two, three minis, if I see negative 550, I'm closing that. I don't care what it does or how good it looks that it'll go back up. I close it. Like, you have to rewire your brain from what you see on 500, 600 negative to being like, okay, this is an opportunity for 800, $1,000, as long as I'm risking $300. Once you see 500, you're shutting it down as fast as you can speak. Is that the same way you look at it, Pozo?
I was multitasking.
You're fine. Think of, think
I
about it
guess
like
I
this.
was like, I heard the first part of it. I
No,
mean,
you're fine. But if you really think about it, guys, on a 150K account, you have $4,500 uh drawdown. If you
right.
if you make, like, if you divide that into $400, that's more or less 11 trades. You're able to take L's after L's after L's after L's after L's that you're gonna blow $150 for an eval. You're not like, basically Ronnie, Gonzo, me, Segi, like people that know how to trade. You're not gonna get in a trade back to back to back to back to back L's, because you know how to break even. You know how to, like, make sure your entry is correct. You know how to wait and be patient. Meanwhile, you're not just trading the momentum because it's going up, you suddenly go in. These are small things that new traders tend to have an issue with, but people that know how to trade, once you dissociate that money sign, nothing matters. All that matters is your process and trusting your edge and trusting your eyes, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Everything else doesn't matter. So look how we got that small pullback into the 561. I was saying 558. It was so, like, that's a two tick. That's two ticks.
Max
Three ticks.
sevens are pumping now.
3 points. I'm sorry. Three
Oh, go
points.
figure.
Yeah, go figure, right?
Look, it did kind of like an inverted head and shoulders. If you would have marked off the levels for the inverted head and shoulders, which also came into that area that we were talking about, it took it wick for wick on the 15-second, just about. Like maybe, yeah, 2 ticks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a flip. That, look, the way I look at it on the 15-second is, I saw this. I saw the W, right? If you want to look
Mm-hmm.
at it super zoomed in, that's the confirmation candle. This is your entry, and this is kind of like your entry to go bigger. right here. This is your entry to go bigger. So if you're going like 3 micros, 5 micros, you put 5 more micros to hold a mini into the VWAP. This is your TP. And why? Because this is an area that you already have resistance. You would trim and hope for the best that it gives you a break retest and continues to the upside. So that way you hold runners into this 720, 750 zone. And notice, it's the same thing I keep telling you guys. All we did was come from an area where we previously said longs. It held,
Mhm.
it built a support, and now it's continuing to break that first resistance zone. And that first leg was where I took the first long. I already knew I had to break even no matter what. And it came back down to the second leg. You always have to assume the first leg is always a trap. Always. Because people start seeing green and they start going in and they're going to get squeezed. It's that simple.
Mhm.
So once everything's in sync, once you see the 15-minute candle very strong with buy at a specific zone like what we're talking about, you already know the script is already flipped. The only reason why I'm not triggering these things is because, again, I'm trying to be extra patient because I'm so close to passing these evals that I'd rather it take me another 2, 3 days than be like, damn, I'm down another 500. You know, this
I
is
see.
this is why I broke even on 3 trades today, and I'm okay with that. I could have had that short. I could have had that short. The short where you guys entered, I entered 833. I would have had it at 850, and I would have still been good because it was gonna be a $200 loss. It didn't matter. But
Hmm.
it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Not every day is gonna be a winning day for me. So we have the stall. We have this 1 minute gap where we're seeing resistance, and it goes back to what we talked about. If this was previous supply, right? If this was a previous supply zone, that's gonna be definitely heavy, heavy to close, heavy to like really break above. What would happen here for me is if this comes right back down and it creates like this zone while we're in lunchtime, this is going to be a zone where we're going to see 4 bar candles on the higher time frame, like 15 or 30 minute, where it's going to range. Until we get the range, we're going to get the breakout above or below. I know it
Can I ask you?
looks ugly, but that's how I would look at it. Go ahead, Billy.
Um,
Oops.
am I missing something? Because I can see only your screen. There is all the stocks, not NQ. Which chart you looking at? Which screen you talking
You're
about?
seeing my screen. You're seeing my screen, which has the max 7.
So how do I see that screen which
Get
is
out
talk?
of,
You
close
have
that stream and click on the live stream from Dude.
Okay.
just
Oh, so
switch to live. Just
the
switch to
whole
live.
time I was watching your screen. Oh my goodness. I was saying, what are you talking about? Am I missing something? I'm so sorry. So dumb. Sorry.
That was
Can you
like
repeat
over
this?
100 points from the bottom already.
This is we can say this is reversal now.
No. This is still like if you're entering here, you're entering with a very small size. It's a tricky zone because you're still fighting this resistance at 530.
Yeah.
So
Uh-huh.
if you're gonna enter, you should have entered at 560. You're already late to the party, so you're basically taking a very risky trade to enter with just momentum. If it doesn't fly and comes back, it'll take you out and then go in its direction.
And if what happen if that breaks that resistance, then we can say this is.
If we break this zone of like 630, you're looking for the
uh,
market to do a breakout, retest, and continuation into the 700.
okay.
So
Okay.
you would just imagine there's a line, or you could just put a line there. Put a line inside this zone, let it
Mm-hmm.
break, because what would happen is the moment it starts pumping, the market's gonna go long like this. It's gonna wick down, and then all the people that got trapped here have their stop loss here. So market comes back down and it takes off. It's just
Okay.
patience. It really is patience. You know what's one thing that's happening to you, Billy, is that you're asking a lot of questions while we're already talking about what's happening, and I don't think you're paying attention. So you really, 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 really want to make sure that anything that we say about a
Because I
zone.
was because I was watching some other screen.
Oh, you're fine. My bad. You're right. You did say that. But if you hear anybody saying, "Hey guys, I'm seeing 550 to be a support level," try to put a box that allows you to see green. So when you see that green area getting tapped in a specific zone, you want to look for a confirmation candle. That confirmation candle is going to allow you to make a bias determination to enter or not enter. And if somebody says, "Hey, I'm looking at supply or shorts in a specific zone," you want to mark that in your zone. Even if you're not watching my screen, just as soon as you hear something, mark it. Don't just wait for somebody to say buy now or sell now. Remember,
Okay.
at the end of the day, you're the one clicking that button.
Yeah.
Okay, new 30-minute candle just opened. We could still flush down, okay, because the prior M30 didn't engulf the last one, so
Yeah, this would be definitely taking like half profit at this point.
yeah, totally. We could easily keep going down now.
This
So
is the same point that we sold off from last time.
so Billy, take a look at the 1 minute. You see how I mentioned that it breaks out and then everybody
Yeah.
would enter here?
Yeah.
You're already looking at 20 points. Imagine you're in like one mini because you're like a degen and you want to make fast money. One mini and 20 points, you're looking at $200-300, maybe more, of negative P&L. You're gonna freak out. You're gonna close it.
Yeah. Right. You are absolutely right. Actually, this happened before.
Yeah, because again, you're not you're here to survive. You're not here to lose, and your brain might not want to associate the loss because you're not comfortable with that amount of money losing. Like just think about it. The other day we were talking, and you were telling me, you know what, I can't really make that investment right now, and I just blew an account, and my husband is a little upset at me. Just think of
Yeah.
that, like these are small little things that you have to take into account is lowering your size. Maybe one micro until you get comfortable executing, getting out, doing certain things that allow you to navigate through structure or through price action. Um,
Hmm.
and just be okay with those small losses. $50, negative, negative, negative is not gonna affect you like a $300 negative. And
Yeah.
believe it or not, when I'm here and I'm telling people we're going long and I'm trying to tell people to hold, there's people that are fighting me, telling me, no, I don't, I like my TP and I'm done. I'm like, hold it, hold it. Certain people will not hold, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But if
Me guilty. Me.
but if you have somebody who's strong about a certain level, a certain pattern, or certain like momentum, I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, and I will always tell you guys, trim profits here and let runners go. But if I believe in the trade, you're holding that until we're like no longer, getting into a zone like that. But guys, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be letting you guys go because, hey, Steve, I appreciate you being here, bro. I didn't even notice you were here. Yes, I'm always preaching good stuff here, man. I'm always trying to hold everybody accountable because again, it
Yeah.
doesn't it doesn't matter to make a lot of money. What matters is how do you sustain a lot of money? How do you keep your capital alive for as long as possible to maximize the payout? Because if you think about it, everybody here has invested a numerous amount of evals and funded account money that go down the drain and not even one payout comes out. So the idea is to be profitable, slow and steady, and keeping yourself alive to trade another day. Emotional tilt is something you cannot stop yourself. There's millionaires who go in tilt mode. There's people that have hundreds of thousands of dollars of life capital and they still go in tilt mode. It's not just you because of $50. It's not just you because of $150. It's just your brain. And it's like what
Mhm.
Pozo said earlier, guys. Dissociate yourself from the loss. Dissociate yourself from the loss. It's the process over profit. It's that simple. It's that simple.
Look at that recovery. Look at that recovery.
Yeah, and that's where Billy would have closed her long and and she would have held and she would be like, damn, I'm gonna go back in. And guess what? Then the market goes down. She sees another negative $100, and that's $400, $500 negative, just in a matter of like 3, 4 minutes. I'm not making you an example, Billy. I'm just using you because you asked the question.
Yeah.
So,
No, I'm asked, and I really, this is my first time I'm in this group, and I'm really enjoying this because earlier, 1 year before, I paid around 7,000 for the learn how to trade, and there is a company Greystone Premium. And to be very frank, this is far, far, far better. Your teaching, your skills, the way you explaining is awesome. I paid that much. I couldn't, and I'm still asking you some questions. Look at the how they teach us. So, but I truly appreciate seriously.
That makes me happy to hear that because one of the things I tell people is you don't have to pay somebody thousands of dollars to learn how to trade. This is all information that's available on the internet. If you go on
I
YouTube,
paid
if you
I
go on
paid
YouTube,
7,
that's a lot,
and
man.
and that day I told you I lost 150K.
Hmm.
Uh, that is my because of uh, some scams happened.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault. You know what happens, Billy? That everybody that's selling your course is teaching you that you could become rich overnight. Everybody's selling you a lifestyle that is not promised, not guaranteed. You know, as somebody who looks at the market, you're looking at the market from a standpoint that you're only here to survive and take appropriate risk. That's all you need to not only time manage yourself on how much you sit in front of a chart. Like I sit in front of a chart all day because I'm here to support as a leader inside this group anybody and everybody that might have a question. At the same time, I'm gonna be having a conventional job soon where I'm not gonna be here 24/7. So you guys are gonna feel that void very soon. You're gonna miss that void, and honestly, it's one of those things where it's gonna be up to you guys to be doing the same thing I'm doing for you as a group. So just take it for what it is. You know, you already lost a lot of money. You already happened to reinvest so much money into something that didn't work out, and just stick to something that clicks with your mentality. You know, the habits that you do, the things that you do daily, like everybody here practices healthy trading, and if you don't, you're in the wrong group. You need to get out of here, because if you're not practicing healthy trading, you're not gonna succeed in the long run. Just because, for example, you see Pozo making 12, 15K doesn't mean you're gonna do that. It probably took her a long time and a lot of losses to get to that level. You know, or for example,
Yeah.
if Gonzo makes $1,000 in 2 minutes, he triggered it, he understood it, he knew what he was doing. Plus, he looks at the Mag 7. He has confidence in the game. But enough preaching about this. One thing I will leave you with this is one day at a time. Remember, the dude trading is day one or one day. You've already been here for some time already. Just take it one day at a time. You show up and you just consistently do it all over again until you get better and better and better. And when you look back
Sure.
6 months, you're going to be at a better position than where you were. You're not going to be rich. You might not have your first payout, but at least now you understand liquidity receive, you understand structure, you understand price action, you understand EMAs, you understand the fib level, you understand how to see the markets when it's free falling. It's okay not to chase that. Look how look how this market fell 300 something points, and from the moment that we called it, we're already up 144 points. And I'm here and I called it and I'm like, hey, you know what? It is what it is. I can't do nothing about it. I'm chilling.
Yeah.
It doesn't affect my emotions at all. It doesn't affect me being a profitable trader or not. It just makes me a disciplined trader.
Absolutely. And I want to ask one more question.
Mm-hmm.
I'm struggling right now to find a job,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm trying to go Air Force actually. So with Air Force doing Air Force job while doing, I can do trading also, right? This is basic question I'm asking you. I can do
Yeah,
trading with that job,
yeah,
right?
of course, of course. You should be able to do anything that doesn't affect you, like doing something against the government. So I don't see that
Okay.
being an issue. But
Awesome.
you should ask your cadet or anybody that's your instructor there just to be safe. All right.
Okay.
But Billy, it's
Awesome.
good to hear
Awesome.
from you and good to hear from everybody in the group, guys. Thank you again for an amazing, phenomenal trading session. It's Friday. If you're green, stay green. I'm not gonna probably be trading at 1:30 p.m., but I'll try to be back by 3 p.m. to do power hour with all of you guys, and hopefully I can pass one funded account today, guys. So thank you again for being here. Have a good one and peace out.